Let me tell you about my family. They are the most important people in my life, and I feel lucky to have them. We are 5 in total, my mom, dad, 2 sisters, and me. There's also our golden retriever, Max, who feels more like a sibling than a pet. We live in a house with a big garden where we spend time together, especially on sunny days. It's a small house, but it's full of warmth and love. My mom is truly special. She's a teacher and works hard every day to help her students, but when she comes home, she still has energy for us. Her cooking is incredible, and everyone in the neighborhood knows about her delicious lasagna. On weekends, you'll find her in the garden, planting flowers and making sure everything looks beautiful. Dad, on the other hand, is the funniest person I know. He has a way of making everyone laugh even when we're having a bad day. He's an engineer and can fix anything, whether it's a leaky faucet or a broken chair. Saturdays are his favorite days because he takes us on small adventures. Sometimes to the park, other times to a nearby lake. Anna, my older sister, is 18 and very smart. She dreams of becoming a doctor and studies hard every day. Even with her busy schedule, she finds time for her guitar. Music is her passion, and her songs fill our home with joy. Sometimes she teaches me the lyrics of her favorite tunes, and we sing together in the evenings. Then there's Lily, the youngest in the house. She's only 10, but has the energy of 10 kids combined. Drawing is her favorite thing to do. She's incredibly talented, and her artwork is all over the house, on the fridge, the walls, and even in her room. Lily also spends hours playing with Max, running around the garden, and laughing loudly. Speaking of Max, he is the heart of our home. This golden retriever is always happy, wagging his tail and making everyone feel loved. He loves playing fetch and knows tricks like sitting, rolling over, and even pretending to be asleep. Max is always by our side, whether we're watching TV or having dinner. Evenings are special for us. We gather in the living room after dinner, sometimes to watch a movie, other times to play games. Monopoly is a favorite, though it often turns into a fun competition. Everyone has their own strategy, and even Max seems to enjoy the excitement lying next to us and wagging his tail. Sundays are magical. It's the only day when everyone has time to relax together. My dad makes pancakes for breakfast, and we all sit around the table talking about our week. These mornings are slow and peaceful, the perfect way to recharge. Of course, like any group of people living together, we have our moments of disagreement. Sometimes Anna gets annoyed because Lily is too loud, or I'm told to clean my room when I don't want to. But no matter what, we always apologize and move forward. Special occasions are even better. Christmas is my favorite time of year because we decorate the house together. Everyone has a role. Anna and I handle the lights, my dad sets up the tree, and my mom and Lily bake cookies. It's a time when we laugh, share stories, and enjoy being together. Birthdays are another highlight. Lily's birthdays are the most fun because she gets so excited about her gifts and balloons. We all gather to sing for her, and she makes a wish before blowing out the candles. Each person in the house has taught me something important. My mom has shown me the value of kindness, while my dad has inspired me to work hard and stay determined. Anna reminds me to follow my passions, and Lily teaches me to see joy in the small things. My family means everything to me. They make my life better in so many ways through laughter, love, and endless support. I can't imagine my days without them. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. See you soon.